Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a beef oxtail pho using an Instant Pot. The ingredients that you will need are some beef with the bone in and several pieces of oxtail. You will also need star anise, just about 5 of them, cinnamon sticks, about 1 to 2 of them, coriander seeds, about a tablespoon, 1 whole onion, 2 shallots, a piece of ginger root, rock candy. If you can't find this, you can use sugar, some salt, and fish sauce. To begin making the pho, go ahead and get a pot of water and put in all of your meat. You're going to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes just to pre-boil and get rid of all the impurities of the meat. Next, start peeling your onions, your shallots, and your ginger, and then get a tablespoon of coriander seeds and put it into a tea ball. If you do not have a tea ball, you can use cheesecloth. And then go ahead and put about 5 star anise into the tea ball as well. After about 10 to 15 minutes, you should check your meat pot and you can see that all the impurities are there. You're going to dump this into a strainer and make sure that you wash and clean the meat as thoroughly as possible. Now we are ready to put everything into the Instant Pot. I mistakenly put the water first, but I suggest that you put all the meat inside, all the seasonings inside, and then go ahead and fill up the water in the pot up to the line. Into the pot, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 5 tablespoons of fish sauce. Now close the pot and choose the meat stew option and cook for 1 hour and 30 minutes. It is going to preheat for about 20 to 30 minutes. While the pho is cooking, you can go ahead and get your herbs ready. Make sure that it's thoroughly washed. I'm just going to finally slice my green onions and finally chop my cilantro. You can use many other herbs, but these 2 are the ones I'm going to use today. When the timer goes off, let it sit there for another 30 to 40 minutes so that the pressure can decrease and you can move the knob to venting. It will do a natural pressure release, and then go ahead and wait until the floating valve has completely dropped, and then you can go ahead and open it. Now you're ready to cook your rice noodles. Go ahead and bring a pot of water to boil. Put your noodles into a strainer and make sure that it softens, and then place it into your bowl. To assemble your dish, you can go ahead and put some bean sprouts and any onions or herbs that you would like. When you open up your pot, you will see that there are some fat at the top. You may want to discard all of that. And then go ahead and taste your broth. If you need to adjust the seasoning, such as add more fish sauce or sugar, go right ahead. Into your bowl, add the meat and the broth. Garnish with any herbs you would like, and then season with some black pepper, some sriracha, some hoisin sauce, and lime juice. And that's about it. I hope you enjoy this delicious and easy meal.